Hello, I'm Steve Kwast, and welcome to the YouTube series on the power of space. This one is called Research and Manufacturing. You know, since the dawn of man, we have had to build things and do research in 1G, until the 1960s when we started doing research in space. What we have found, though, is the ability for researchers to do novel and useful things for humanity explodes when you are not shackled by the gravity of the Earth. The same is true for structures and other things we build. You can build a structure in space and you can design things into it, especially with 3D printing and additive manufacturing, in ways you could never do on planet Earth. The power of doing research for the goodness of the health of humanity and building things that you can do in novel and useful ways and then delivering it to Earth with gravity as your propulsion can change the game on research and manufacturing for all of humanity. As we reach to the stars to uplift the human condition and save this planet, the power of space is what you can do in research and manufacturing that you could never do if you just left it to the terrestrial arena. That's the power of space, and thank you for listening to the series.